painting, and I've decided I don't know for this energy. See what else I'm either going to add or cover up. That's finished. Is it a metre by a metre? Something like that.
Dances slow and looks at me. She must be the sunlight, shines a little more tonight. I know I tried to make her mine, but at the same time, I know love is hard to find. Lots of time, but maybe it's fine that you are so hard.
I was asked in last week's vlog why the Canadian flag was flying. It's a war memorial for the Canadian service men and women who served in World War II. It's a remembrance place. And every year poppies are laid at the foot of it, and there's a service on the 11th of November. Good morning, back home. It's Dragon Civil. And I'll show you later, but I've got frog spawn in my new pond and it's great. They haven't done anything in this one up here. I'll walk down there later. It's right down there. Right down there. Right down there. It's a bit chilly. Okay, so I'm trying to sneak up on the frogs. Shh. I've got my Crocs and socks on, so they can't hear me. Oh. But that's uneventful. Normally they all splodge in, but frog spawn, loads of frog spawn, and the frogs have scarpered. It's not very full at the moment. I dumped a load of lilies in from the other pond. This is the other pond. You can see the frog there. There must be some spawn in there somewhere because there's frogs. Somewhere. There's fat frogs. Big fat frogs. One's a big fat frog, if you can see it. I have plans. Oh. What do you want? Trying to work. What do you want? Do you want? What does Cyril want? What do you you want? Play. What do you want? I'm still working on this big painting. I don't know if I like it. You know, it's going through that stage where you don't like it. I've added some like foxgloves, and I'm thinking of painting that really dark bluey purple at the top instead of white, and maybe painting some of that just to make it a bit simpler. And then I'm going to draw a hand somewhere. I'm sort of saving that for last. Yeah, so, and this is like the state of everywhere else at the minute. That I hate that painting. I don't like the man. And I don't like that face there with the horse's nose. So that's going to change. I've just got that one out because I finished that one. And yeah, I'm just clearing the table because I'm going to take that down because I can't reach the top. That's as low as my easel goes. So yeah, I'm going to lay it on the table here. And yeah, and I've been looking at this book. It's crawl work embroidery, and I love all the little animals and things in it, and it's got some really good pictures of birds and things, and I'm thinking of adding some things to like the shape of this rabbit and things and these birds and that. I'm thinking of adding them to those, which are sort of, I'm not quite sure what's happening to them. Anyway, that's what I'm doing.
On the sideline, dances slow and looks at me. She must be the sunlight, shines a little more tonight. I know I try to make her mine.
Good morning. Me and Cyril don't want to get up. Laying in the morning sun.